Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So we are here at Tuned Up. It's their 2-year anniversary and they're doing this huge mega meet. There's a lot of people that chipped in. There's gonna be a lot of free food. There's gonna be drinks, but already so many really nice cars. Like it starts at 10, at like 8:30 the parking lot's already filling up, but that's kind of how we do it here in San Antonio. But let's go ahead and check out all the cars. All right guys, so the guys from Supercars of San Antonio are here. They brought this beautiful Ferrari 488, Lamborghini Huracan, AMG GT, G-Class, E63 wagon, and these cars are insane. So let's go ahead and check them out. All right guys, so I was actually in Germany when the Audi TTRS was unveiled, and there's one here that's just absolutely beautiful. And when I sat in this versus an R8, honestly TTRSs are pretty awesome, but let me know what you guys think about this one. Okay, so this Aventador showed up that is just absolutely insane. Like, I had no idea this car was even in the city, but like the spec on this is beautiful. Got a crazy carbon front splitter, bunch of other trim pieces. But yeah, you guys are definitely gonna love this. Alright guys, so I was just like talking for a few minutes and then like all of a sudden the meat just kind of died down, everybody left. But pretty much gonna wrap up right here. If you guys like this video, definitely get on, hit that like button down below. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, but also like other crazy awesome car content. Got a lot more stuff coming, got other friends with different crazy cars I'm gonna be filming. So there's always new content, always coming at you every week. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.